Forget everything you think you know about Spanish rice. This is not your typical paella. It's better. Welcome back. I'm Jay. Today, we've traveled to southern Alicante to cook a legendary 13th century masterpiece, Arroz con Costra, the rice with a golden crust. We stopped cooking the rice 5 minutes early, blanketed in 10 aggressively beaten eggs, and blasted in the oven until it transforms into a towering soufflé dough. But to understand this historic recipe, you have to understand the rugged territory of Orihuela. Before we light the fire, I have an algorithmic challenge for you. How many eggs do you put in your ultimate rice dish? Drop a comment right now, because we are using 10. Rule number 1. Flavor starts with the fat. We fry our sausages first, especially our blanquette, which brings subtle hints of cinnamon and nutmeg into the base oil. Once rendered, pull them out and save those juices. In that same seasoned oil, sear your chicken until deeply golden. Push it to the edges. Now, drop your grated tomato and sweet paprika right into the center. We are building a concentrated, jammy foundation. Pour in the hot poultry broth first, with saffron threads. Watch that color blue, 2 bay leaves, and garbanzos. Now add the senia rice, rain it evenly through the broth, and give it just enough movement to settle. Blast it on maximum heat for 5 minutes to get the starches moving. Drop the heat to low for 4 more minutes, and stop. Look right here. The liquid has receded, but the rice is completely unfinished and firm. This is your critical window. Quickly nestle your sausages back on top to build a structural platform for our grand finale. 10 large eggs beaten into an intense foam. To elevate the crust, we whisk in fresh parsley, a tiny hint of lemon zest to cut through the heavy proteins, and a whisper of nutmeg. Pour it smoothly, burying every single grain of rice. Straight into a preheated oven at 220 degrees Celsius, 425 degrees Fahrenheit, for 10 to 12 minutes. The extreme heat traps the rising steam from that unfinished rice below, perfectly cooking the grains to a moist finish while expanding the eggs into a spectacular, springy dough. Look at that cross-section. Pure culinary architecture. A light, savory, soufflé top paired with intensely rich, perfectly separate rice grains infused with pork fats below. Absolute perfection. Smash that subscribe button right now for more authentic, regional Spanish rice variations. Head to i1paella.eu for the exact ingredient weights, and I'll see you next recipe. Buen provecho!